Oh, flag up, flag up, flag up. He's got it. Fish. Yep, up he comes, up he comes, up he comes. Yep, come on. Got him. Fish on. Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Fishing with Chet. Today, we are driving north to find ice. I'm right now thinking I'm only gonna have to drive like 3 hours. So, basically spent all day packing ice stuff for the first time in 6 months, it feels like, I think. And we're doing it, we're freaking doing it. We're gonna walk on some water. I'm excited. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's go up north. All right, just made it to the lake, and I do believe, you see that? That's ice, ice baby. There's a lot of snow on it, which isn't good, but we're going to check out the ice really quick. And then I'm gonna go to sleep because it is currently 11:50, but there is ice. Pretty cool. Okay, got the car running. It's nice and warm. So if something horrific happens,
this could be the only video because of something horrific happening.
All right. Looks to be, oh, okay. That's not very good. Okay, there's no ice here, but I guess we get that. It does look like there's ice though. Out here perhaps. Oh yeah, there's ice. How thin though? Yep, that's not great. Oh, okay. Yikes. Not looking good. Okay, this is kind of worst case scenario, I think, because there's snow, and the snow has, it's appeared to have made the ice significantly worse. Oh, snow sucks. Oh no, what have I done? Oh, I'm such a dingus. Okay, well, unfortunately, it doesn't look like we're ice fishing tomorrow, or maybe even the day after, but that's okay. Shoot, dude, the snow sucks, man. Ah, whatever, it's okay. We'll recover from this mentally, maybe, I don't know. It's day 2. We're at another lake. Let's check it. I don't think it's gonna be good, but I don't know. What if it's got 7 inches of ice? Okay, got this mud bar. Let's check it out. I guess I'm assuming that there's going to be about nothing, but I think that's the shore still. No way. Okay. What? What? Uh-oh. Oh, buddy. It's pretty bad, but it's ice. There's my truck. Here I am. It is actually relatively clear, and I don't know. It's like 2 3/4, maybe 3, probably 3 inches.
Later that day.
You might be noticing, I've got a GoPro and a headlamp now. We're going fishing. I checked the lake this morning. It had about 3 inches of bad ice, then water layer, then a layer of like 1.5 inches of clear ice. And that's good enough for me. Department of Natural Resources obviously recommends 4 inches of clear ice to be walking on. I'm someone who does this a lot. I know how to read ice, and just because I do this does not mean that you guys should be doing this. Fair warning. I also don't want to see in the comments, though, a ton of people hating on me for going on thin ice, because I am allowed to do what I want. So, with all that being said, let's go catch a walleye or something. I mean, I don't know. This is my first time ever ice fishing with live scope that I own, so big things are happening today. yeah, that's all I got. You know, well, maybe I shouldn't feel okay on it. Oh yeah, that's good to look at. That's good. So I'm just spotting every step. Oop, there I went through. So if I do go through, I know how to get out. I've gone through before. So like right there, yeah, that's it right there. That's pretty not great. Take a step over that, because that was one hit straight through. So okay, made it onto the glare ice here. This stuff is good. Probably actually gonna poke my first hole here. I mean, that's solid ice, so this is probably 2.5, 3 inches, but it's really good ice, so I'm fairly confident that I'm not gonna have problems. All right, let's drill through. We kind of just want depth here, really. I mean, that's all we need. First hole of the open water season, Minnesota 2025-26 season. And that's it. That's all she wrote. We've got, oh yeah, like, it's pretty good actually. It's really clear ice. We've got a solid, I'd say it's probably like 3. I'm comfortable on this ice personally. I guess let's put this live scope down and see what there is in terms of depth and maybe drop a line in the water. Can't even believe I'm fishing right now. Wild. Just wild. Okay. So, just kind of looks whatever, I guess. There's some fish around. I guess we should probably find some deeper water, eh? Here we go. Fish. Come on. Come on. Please. Yep, yep, yep. Come on. What is he doing? Yep, yep. Come on. Come on. Looks like a pike, doesn't it? Fish. Fish on. Fish on. First ice fish of the season. Feels like a walleye, maybe. Be a walleye. Come on. I think it's gonna be a pike. Maybe not, though. Yeah, it's a pike. First pike of the season, though. Oh, yeah, dude. Nice. We caught a fish. That's pretty cool. Could almost eat that, too. Right in the corner of the mouth, ever so lightly. First ice fish of the season. This is a momentous moment in the fishing world. Flag up. Going back, and we have a flag. Okay. There's no way. Might be off to the side. No. Nothing. There's two. There's two. This one's going into the minnow. He's going up to the minnow. My flag's about to go off. Oh, flag up, flag up, flag up. He's got it. He's got it. Fish on. Got him. Got him. Fish on. Fish on. I think it's a walleye. I think it's going to be a walleye. Pike. They came in a pack of 2. Oh, it's going to be a freaking pike. Dang it. Shoot. Still kind of cool, I guess. I can see him on the live scope over there. That's funny. Got him. Not a walleye. All right, another pike. Oh, there he goes. That pike was so keyed into feeding off the surface, or off the, you know, looking up like that. He immediately dove into that bait, or I guess swam through that bait. And he was probably up 4 feet below the ice, and you know, my transducer's down a foot, probably 12 feet of water, which is pretty cool. So I do think, like, it's first ice, right? Like, these fish should be pretty fired up, and the calling in ability of the tantrum is, you know, second to none, as well as the, oh, there's fish here. Fish. There's a fish. Yep, up he comes, up he comes, up he comes. Yep, come on. Got him. Fish on. Fish on. Oh, crappie. Nice crappie. Yeah, we're gonna eat that. We're gonna eat that. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, that's so sick. Crappie. Dinner is what that is. I think I'm gonna have fish and mac and cheese. Okay, minnow head is back on. Oh gosh. That's probably a 9-inch fish. There we go. That way, when I get home and I want to cut him up, he won't be all gross. It's a pretty big lure for that crappie. Came in and smoked it. That was sick. Came in and smoked. Smoked it.